927, the source code is down here. We're gonna get going. So in the type index, we've added two new types. Type level local XY, type arms of an explosion XY branches. Okay, so this is in the type index. Chronologically, they're the 6th and 7th systems ever created in dependency order. They're currently 3 and 4. In the top level types, where we had the implementation of those types, right here we have the level local XY without a context. So here is our constructor, new LXY. We're going to create an anonymous object, type LXY, with members level local X and Y, and this is just a little hack so that I can put commas in front of everything. We're going to seal the object so we can't fuck around with it, return it right here. Okay, new AXY, new arm reach XY for our explosion, right? So here's our private constructor, here's our function pointer, type AXY, anonymous object here, lax comma hack, commas in front of everything, member variables, arm reach, X, Y, min max, seal the object so we can't fuck with it, return it, right? Okay, down here, data by system. In this section, within the hunk hot data section, we have reusable objects, data belonging to the hunk hot system, level local XY, arm reach AXY, right? So for the reach of the explosion, center point of the explosion, the basically the shape of the explosion or the magnitude of the explosion on the different axes. Okay, and then down here in hunk hot system, inside of this function right here, we've added a little diagram tag. So this diagram ring, diagram laser, diagram jacks, and diagram box. If we scroll down to the bottom of the file, we have diagrams that are kind of explaining the different explosion shapes, right? So if the arms are going 3 in each direction, and it's a ring-shaped explosion, you got this. 3 in each direction, it's a laser-shaped explosion. 3 in each direction, and it's a cross-shaped explosion, right? 3 in each direction for the arm reach struct, and it's a box-shaped explosion, right? So hopefully that kind of helps. And if you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here, because we ain't got no fucking time on the fast playlist. Tech demos only with no code are here. Source code is here. The license is do whatever the fuck you want, okay? So do whatever the fuck you want with this engine. Do whatever the fuck, you can do whatever you want, okay? I can also do whatever I want. I am Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine. Like, subscribe, and follow. This has been the technical documentation.